Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be reviewing these two Soldier Force toys. So yeah, I'm going to be opening them right now. Right, this is the helicopter set. This is a helicopter set. I think it looks really cool. This is it right here. Helicopter. How do you get the helicopter open? Oh yeah, I guess so. Snap it, and now we gotta rip this part off so we can twist it up. Twist like a little barrier. A little barrier off. Okay, this is the barrier, like some sort of little like wall. Right, this is the helicopter pilot. Looks, he could move like that, move like that, move up his legs, and he could turn his head slightly. Okay, now here's the gun. I believe you can put it on the... I believe you're supposed to put it in the barrier. Yeah, there it is. Put it in the barrier. It's like some sort of machine gun post now. Looks very cool. Now we have some weapons tree. Alright, here is the weapons tree. We've seen these all the time. I believe our last military video we did. Earlier I made a YouTube short. Go watch that if you haven't yet. I have two uploaded that you could actually hear the audio in. My first one, like, you couldn't hear the audio. So yeah, that one's the only bad part. But yeah, we just opened 5s. Go watch it. Go check it out. Skull Trooper. Because if you don't know, I'm a very big Star Wars fan. I'll do another video. I'm going to show you guys my collection on my shelves. Or maybe I could give you like a studio tour, I guess. Studio/room tour. But this is the truck. Oh, we also have these barbed wire barriers. But yeah, I think these are very cool. They could connect together, take them off. But yeah, I've got some barbed wire barriers. This truck holds, I'm guessing probably like 2 or 3 figures inside the Jeep. Very nice Jeep. It makes noise. Now we gotta get the soldier out. It's like some sort of high ranking, I'm guessing like general or something. Yes. Oh yeah. Very nice. Alright. Okay, well, that's the video, guys. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and this Soldier Force Jeep is signing out.